Hi guys, Brian here. Welcome to another Jurassic World toy unboxing. Finally got the time and also resources for the unboxing. First of all, I have the Frenzy Pack Ptera, I'm pretty sure it is. This is, I think, the last of the Wave 2 of the Frenzy Packs that I needed, and it kind of took me around around a month to try to find this figure. I think I tried to find this around like September, when I don't know, or maybe the time when the Wave 2 Jurassic World toys were starting to hit stores, shelves. But finally I found it. It was in a Target, I think for $9 or $10. Actually, here's the front and the back. Not really much. If you're wondering how I got the other ones, the Bepiosaurus Archaeornithomimus, I found both of them in Walmart's, and then for the Miniquaria, I found it on a Target. I'm pretty sure, I don't think I've shown these two before, but I remember one of the videos I showed this one. Well, let's just go unbox this pterosaur. Speaking of pterosaurs, for some reason in the Jurassic World Rebirth line, there's barely any pterosaurs. I mean, that might be for other Jurassic World lines where there's like barely any pterosaurs. But hey, this one's a pretty good one. Alright, Ptera. There you go. Had to do that. So this one is pretty interesting. This nice yellow color with the head with this crest and this long little snout. The wings are pretty good wingspan, and it has this tail as well too. I don't really know much about this one, but I like the colors. I like the green and also this purple color on the wings. There's a little scan code on the wing as well. For articulation, the jaw can open, I'm not sure how wide, like this wide, and can close. The wings can move up like this and down all the way like this. And it can also rotate. And the legs can move. I think they move, like, I don't know, both of the legs move. It's not like one leg moves. I think one time I had like a pterosaur, a pteranodon that had this, and to be honest, do not move one of the legs individually because it'll break the figure. I did this once to one of my figures where I'd move one of the legs while I put the other one in a different direction, and it completely broke the leg movements, kind of. Like, it broke the leg, so it just fell off, kind of, on one of my dinosaur toys. Specifically, one of my pteranodon toys. But yeah, that's Ptera. It's a pretty cool figure. I mean, there's a close-up view. Alright, so the next two are from the Jurassic World Survival lines. This will be the next line that's going to appear on, I think, 2026. And there's already some that are being released. So here's the Dilophosaurus, which is completely different from the other Dilophosauruses. Nice scenery. And here's the figures you can get. You can get the Dimorphodon, the Cosmoceratops, and the Nanotrans. The Nanotrans is similar to the one from the Rebirth line. These two are completely different. I'll just open this already. Seems easy enough, because these two are are mainly on the body. There's none of the leg or any parts that might be a bit hard. Dilophosaurus. Stand him up. So this one is one of the ones that does not have frills. I don't think it's larger than the Dilophosaurus, the other ones, but it looks interesting. My goodness, these quills on the tail, and also these on the little head as well. It looks completely different to the other Dilophosauruses. I mean, the red and this little maroon color, it's not my favorite color, but I do like these little green crests. For articulation, well, the arms and legs can move, and this tail as well. It has this button right here, which you can make it chomp. And also in the mouth, there's a venom spit in the mouth. It's like a little, it's like, if you can't see, there's a, like, it looks like it's a venom spit in the mouth. It's like a really small one. Colors aren't really the best, but the sculpt is nice. And here's the scan code as well. Last but not least is oh goodness, that Dilophosaurus just fell. Okay, here it is. Here's the one. Here's the last one. The Wild Roar Pteranodon. Before I open it, let me just position the leg on this Dilophosaurus because it's kind of hard. There you go. It's kind of standard. Okay. Wild Roar's Pteranodon. This is the box art. Well, let's just get to opening already. Take it out. Nope, there's some on the leg. Okay, I think I got it out. Pteranodon. And let me see if... I think this guy does not have any batteries because I've noticed that this guy is not working. What he's supposed to do, I mean, I'll just tell you what the actual feature was supposed to be. I think it's missing batteries. But what it's supposed to do is it was supposed to light up. But I think either there's something jamming it or it is out of battery, but this is not, but the light up is not working. It's not making sounds, but it's just doing the chomp, which is weird. I noticed. I think I'm not sure if it's supposed to move its wings. You can notice that there's like the wings. Okay, that's so weird. Maybe I can get reusable batteries, but I mean, the colors are really nice. I like this little blue right there, and the crest is huge. My goodness. And it has some feathering, or pigno fiber feathering. Not sure what's going on with the feature, but will I figure it out? Probably. I don't know. I think the batteries are gone from this guy, or maybe there's something jamming it. For articulation, like, these wings can bend. And, you know, the legs can move as well, too. I don't think there's, like, a feature to turn this on or off. Let me actually go open up the box to see what batteries do I need. Oh. It's been a while since I've actually taken out the actual instructions. But there are some instructions in the package. Oh geez, there's tape on this thing. Okay, finally took it out. I'm just showing up the instructions just to, there's the warning things, but I'm gonna need to figure out, so it's 3 of these batteries here. Not sure if I have them, but yeah, it's currently not working because I think has no batteries. But honestly, the design is really good. Color is also really nice as well. I mean, articulation is not its best suit, and the action feature, I'm gonna guess it's like really good. Like, it makes sounds, and in the box it says it makes like a blue light. So I think I would imagine it'd be really great, a good figure. But anyways, that's all I have to show you. So like and subscribe, and see you next time.